Hi, I'm Janet Kinchlow-Martin, Dean of Institutional Advancement here at Calhoun Community College. We're joined today with Scott Russo with Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Alabama. And Scott, you're here to talk to us today about manufacturing, and primarily we're talking about Manufacturing Day and the importance of manufacturing to our community and our state and our nation, and a little bit about what Toyota has done toward that. And then we're going to talk about the FAME program, which I know is near and dear to your heart.
Yes.
So first of all, let's talk a little bit about just what manufacturing means.
Manufacturing it's a broad term, but manufacturing to us is really exciting. It's something that students can earn or people can earn a high wage. It's something that's challenging. There's lots of different things that you do every day that's different, and you must learn and you must improve every day. And I think it's great because you get to work with so many great people from such diverse backgrounds every day. There's so many different jobs in manufacturing. So we have HR specialists, or we have PC, or we have production control, we have production technicians. We also have skilled manufacturing or skilled maintenance. So that's what the FAME program's all about.
And let's talk a little bit about what FAME means, because we throw that acronym around a lot, and I think we at Calhoun and you guys at Toyota and the partners know what FAME is all about. But let's talk a little bit more for those who may not be as familiar with what FAME is.
So FAME is our brand, but it's for the Federation for Advanced Manufacturing Education. The program is to have a collaboration with local industry and businesses and a community college to develop that workforce for the future. So we want employees, skill development, that somebody can take my place in the future. So we're trying to develop something better than we currently have.
And Toyota actually has FAME programs around the country. There are several FAME programs, and so the one here locally is just one of several. And if there is a company that's saying, you know, that is a really good idea, I want to be able to build that next generation of worker, tell us a little bit about why it's important for those companies to think about being a FAME partner.
So FAME USA is a national brand. So we have Kentucky, Alabama, Mississippi, Texas, Indiana, many different states have the FAME program. I think what's important is we're striving to be the best. So we have the best facilities, the best training facilities, the best instructors, the best cooperation between the community colleges. And even recently, we formed a collaboration with RTP or AIDT. So now we have a state-of-the-art facility across the street at RTP, Phase 3, and we're staffing it with the best instructors from Calhoun. And we also have the most high-tech equipment for the training. So it's very important, I think, to be state-of-the-art facility for the training. But the second part of FAME is the work-study aspect. So all the companies within our collaborative, the student's actually going to go to school 2 days a week, and then they're going to come back to our company, and we're going to train them 3 days a week. So
they're actually getting hands-on experience as well as that classroom experience at the same time.
That's the most important thing. When I was younger, I did a co-op when I was in engineering, and it was probably the best thing I could ever do because I could understand the company, what they wanted. Kind of was that bridge between what I was learning in school and then what I actually applied at the work. So that's really what's important about this program, is each company gets to customize their plan because the student's coming back to their plan. So they're going to learn on generic high-tech equipment. But we're looking for new partners to come on board and also new students. So every year we're recruiting students. Recruiting is open now. So there's an application on Calhoun's website that we can actually share with everybody. They can apply, and they can understand a little bit more about the program. But I think the future is exciting because we have a new space, it's large, we can accept new companies now, and we're always looking for new students.
Excellent. Well, Scott, thank you so much again for being with us and talking more about the programs here.
Oh, you're welcome.
And thank you for being with us and learning more about the FAME and Toyota programs here at Calhoun Community College.